Hey guys, my Grove Collaborative order came in for January, and I'm really excited to open this one. So just about a week ago, I got an email from someone at Grove saying, "Claim your free gift." And I opened the email, and I was not expecting them to, there it is. I was not expecting them to give me this for free. It's a cleaning caddy. So check your emails, guys, because Grove sends me these emails a lot. I've gotten several products for free, and this one I'm really excited about. It's really cute, and you can put your cleaning products in there. I'm excited. I got the bamboo cutting board. I figured I would splurge a little bit and get a good one because I go through the plastic ones so often. So I just got a bamboo cutting board, and I'm really excited to use it. And it has a twine on there so I can hang it up. So I'm going to use it as decor as well. I got replacement heads for my scrubber. You can see those. This is my favorite scrubber I've ever had, and I need a new scrubber. I need a new head pretty soon, so I just got to use those. Chapstick. This is my favorite chapstick. I don't think I'll ever buy another chapstick. It works really well, and it smells good, feels good. I love it. It's my favorite chapstick. And I got peppermint. I'm excited. When I first originally ordered, they did not have peppermint, so I guess they got it back in stock. That's really exciting. Peppermint is my favorite. David actually likes it, so I'm really glad that they got that back in. I thought it was a holiday scent, but maybe it's not. I love peppermint, and it smells really good. Smells the whole house up really yummy. And I believe that's it. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff because I already have everything that I need, so I just got exactly what I needed. But I'm excited to get this set up. Remember, check your email because they give you free gifts all the time. So it's really exciting to get free gifts. Thank you, Grove. I love Grove, and I love these products. Meyer's Clean Day. I love it. It smells so good. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a great day, and God bless you.